Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and my name is Helm Smeshko, I'm the founder of HostMaria, and this is another tutorial, and this will be a long one. So we'll go A to Z, or from the very beginning till the very end, on how you can get your paid Gmail account. This Google product has been changing names for a long time. Initially, it was known as Google Apps. Then it was known as Google Suite, and now it is called Google Workspace. And three times already change of the names, and the normal people just usually call it paid Gmail or business Gmail. Okay, so and for this purpose, I have set up HostMaria demo, and let us just go. So first things first. You would need to log into your StackCP account. That is one. And the second one, you need to have this URL, workspace at google.com. Workspace at google.com. And before I start, I would have to add that, hey, I'm biased towards the Gmail, towards the business Gmail over Microsoft 365 for one simple reason. My experience has taught me in the past that Google's online tools, online documents, sheets, and presentation tools are much faster than the ones of Microsoft. And just for this reason, I'm in the camp of Google Workspace. But it doesn't mean that Microsoft is bad. We will create another tutorial for that. Microsoft creates professional grade email products as well. In this case, let us start with paid Gmail. Simple, super simple. And we also use paid Gmail for our services. Okay, so for some of our domain names. Okay, let me start preparing the screen and removing this one. Okay, so the first things first, workspace google.com. Okay, get started now. And no stress limited, 2 to 9, United Kingdom, bang. Okay. Current email address, let me add my private address that is being over spammed all the time. Okay. Use a domain that you already own. Okay, and in this case, we will go with hostmariademo.com. Hostmariademo.com. Okay, is my domain. Next. Okay, let me check that. Shall I make it larger? Okay, and my username. My username, hostmariademo. Helmut's password. Let us go. Dynapass. Anyways, I will delete this account. So, Coldgate. I personally don't like negative passwords. And okay, Jolly Rhino 89, and I will use this password. So, okay, I'm not a robot. Now I need to choose motorcycles. Verify. Agree and continue. Okay. Okay. You have reached. Okay. Sign in as okay, and sign in as bang. Okay. I will cancel out. Continue. Understand. Okay, and this is what I would suggest. The basic plans are the business standard ones. We will compare plans. Business starter is the plan that I use for all my accounts, and I think we have 6 of them. So business starter account, £6 a month. Account type, organization, no stress limited. Okay, suite M6. Okay, primary contact is me and add a credit card or debit card. Okay, does it allow me to add PayPal? No. Okay. Okay. For this one, okay, I will be blurring out this thing. Setting up billing. Okay, verify. Now, now I need to verify using my online bank. Take, make. Okay, verification. Okay, I've got a Gemini, so this is a cross sale. You don't need to choose this one. If you wish to have, of course you can have it. Get started. So once again, let us go. HostMariaDemo.com, and up here we don't have neither. So we are resellers. We are one of the oldest and most established resellers of 20i, 20i.com, and neither 20i nor HostMaria are here. So my domain uses a different host. Okay, so now we need to verify that we own this domain name. As the domain name uses our name servers, HostMaria demo. We can see, yes. So what we do now, we would go to manage DNS, and copy this value, and add a text record. Add a text record with this value. Yes, add a text record. Update DNS. Okay. So now we can see this is a new text record that has been added. Okay, confirm. And now Google is checking that we actually own this domain name. Our domain name is verified. Activate Gmail. Okay, continue. Proceed with activation. Domain host. Okay, set up Gmail. Okay, so now this is now there will be requests of adding MX records and other records. Up here, we go back to manage DNS, and here we choose Google Suite email only. And now we will see up here there are new MX records, new CNAME record, and also the text record for SPFs actually includes Google sending out email. Set Google Mail for DNS. That is all you need to do. That is all you need to do. Just go there, confirm. You are all set. Okay, connect with customers, continue. Sure. Oh, come on. Okay, everything is good. Mark is done. Mark is done. Okay, later on, set up your workspace and let us go to Gmail. Okay, and okay, and our password was here. That's it, and you have created. Okay, that's it. You have created. You have created a Gmail account, paid Gmail account for your domain name. That is it. It was that simple. That simple. And if you have any other questions, then please open a support ticket at hostmaria.com. I'm happy to help you out and to see where you are stuck. And when opening support tickets, please add screenshots. Screenshots always, always help understanding where are you stuck. We my company and a few other companies of mine do use Google Workspace. I absolutely love Gmail, paid Gmail. I use both paid and free one for different purposes. For companies, that is a solution. You cannot go wrong with it. £6 a month. I'm not sure what will it be. The pricing will be in dollars, so probably $8, maybe $6 the same. It is definitely worth it. It is a great, great, great product. Hopefully this helps. And my name is Helms Meshkovans, and have a great day. Bye.